Hello SE Nation, welcome to We the SE's TV. My name is Ramzi Majraba and I'm a sales engineer out of Ottawa, Canada. I'm using this YouTube channel to provide tips and tricks to those who want to transition from their current careers into sales engineering or other sales engineers who simply want to improve. So what is a sales engineer? A sales engineer is a person who solves his or her customer's business problem. Just as an example, we are all familiar with antivirus. Hopefully we all have it installed on our laptops or PCs. But for bigger companies, the likes of banks or Google, they don't want their laptops, their employees' laptops to be hacked. So they have to work with an antivirus vendor to come up with a solution for that problem. Now, the sales engineer from that antivirus company has to understand why they want an antivirus. Now, for antivirus, it's a simple solution. Computer gets simple problem. Computer gets hacked. Hackers can have access to internal organizational structure or internet or network, and now they can wreak havoc and cost the company money. So the business case is the customer doesn't want to lose money, and it's the sales engineer's job to find it in more complicated situations. So how does a sales engineer find that business problem? Well, the process is called discovery or needs analysis or requirements gathering. The point is the sales engineer is going to ask questions, lots and lots of questions. Now, initially, their response from the customer may be technical, as in, we need antivirus. But why do you need antivirus? Because we don't want to get hacked. So the sales engineer's job is to keep digging deeper until they figure out that they need antivirus so that they don't not lose money. Because in most cases, customers may not be aware of that end reason, even though the sales engineer is aware. So who hires sales engineers? Any company that creates software and sells it to other companies would need sales engineers. The likes of Box or Salesforce or Splunk. Anything that needs to be explained, that's not intuitive or easy to use, that solves complicated problems, generally end up needing sales engineers to be able to understand these complicated problems. Also, networking companies, the likes of Cisco, Nokia, Juniper, Arista, all of them have sales engineers. And even companies that create mechanical devices such as turbines or engines, all of those also may need sales engineers. Who can become a sales engineer? Mechanical engineers can become sales engineers, communications engineers, electrical, computer engineers can all become sales engineers, computer science, they can become sales engineers. I even know a musician who turned into a sales engineer by going through certifications for a specific software. And I also know an English literature major who sells software. So there is no set path. But if your education is engineering related, you have a better chance of becoming a sales engineer. Are there other titles for sales engineers? Oh, yeah. All right, let's see. Sales engineer, solutions engineer, solutions architect, systems engineer, pre-sales engineer, technical sales engineer, applications engineer, field engineer. Let's see, can I think of anything else? Well, that's it for now. The problem is that these titles can also mean something completely different as well. So if you're applying for a job, my advice would be to actually look at the job description, and if it relates to working with customers or customer-facing role, then it's most likely a selling role, which ends up meaning sales engineer. So that's it for the first episode of We the SE's TV. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, subscribe, like, whatever it is that you do to YouTube videos, just do it here, especially if you liked it. If you didn't like it, then, you don't have to like or dislike. Catch you guys later.